Hi, my name is Ajay Thotangare. I am a solutions engineer at Perforce. Today, I will walk you through how Delphix enables organizations to provision data at any point in time in minutes, whether it's for recovery from an incident or to spin up a new hotfix environment. Traditionally, if there is a data corruption, bad code deployment, or a critical bug, teams rely on backups for recovery. Restoring from backup is slow, resource intensive, and often disruptive to production. Legacy backups and restore processes results in poor RPO and poor RTO. You either lose data or you wait for hours, sometimes days, to get an environment back online. Delphix changes this story. We continuously capture changes from production, creating a time machine of data that provides granular recovery points. With just few clicks, you can provision a virtual environment from the exact moment before an incident occurred. Instead of waiting for hours, you can provision a clean environment in minutes for recovery or for hotfix testing. This means near zero data loss, superior RPO, instant recovery, superior RTO. In this demo, I will show how Delphix helps organizations recover instantly from production incidents. Whether it's a drop table, corrupted data, or a production errors, by provisioning point-in-time environments in minutes. On this host, I am going to provision a hotfix environment. Here you see the existing databases running on this host. I will be creating a hotfix environment on this host. Now I will log in with my credentials to Delphix platform. Once successful login, the connection library gives me a centralized view of every data connection available. Moving into data section. This is where Delphix centralizes all connected data sources. Let's focus on Suite CRM, for which we will create a hotfix environment. Here is the status of SQL Server database. It's running and healthy. Timeline view gives me a time machine of data. Every moment is continuously captured. Imagine a production incident occurred on August 31st at 4:32 p.m. I want to create a hotfix environment from exact 4:31 p.m. just before the incident occurred. From the VDB section, I will provision a new environment from the exact point in time. I select the source of my hotfix environment. It lists all the moments of my source database. This interface allows me to specify the exact timestamp for my hotfix environment. Here, August 31st, 4:31 p.m. I will provide name for my database and proceed further completing the wizard. This begins provisioning process. In just couple of minutes, a new hotfix environment is created. No manual intervention required. This can also be done using REST APIs, integrating with CI/CD pipelines or any in-house orchestration tool. No additional storage required. Now, let's check the status of database. Looks healthy and online. Let's validate from the database ID. There it is. The hotfix environment is available online, identical to production, with all metadata and data available for immediate use. Thank you. So, what does this mean for businesses? First, instant recovery minimizes downtime and risks, keeps your most critical application available. Second, with hotfix environments available in minutes, teams can isolate issues quickly and push validated fixes into production much faster. Third, because these environments are non-disruptive and lightweight, you avoid any impact on production and dramatically reduce infrastructure waste. Delphix transforms recovery and hotfix workflows, turning what was once a liability into a true competitive advantage. Provision the past, accelerate the future. That's the Delphix advantage. Thank you.